Everything is growing like a jungle. Look at this bee balm. I got some echinacea flowers that's getting ready to bloom. But I just wanted to show you it is raining today, so I'm not gonna touch anything. But I do need some parsley and some cilantro. Just wanted to show you quickly my tomatoes. My peas. I need to get out here and harvest these peas, and I believe tomorrow we are going to have a sunny day. I wanted to show you the carrots. Look at the flowers. Looks like the pollinators, the bugs are enjoying them. I've got some zinnias and some nasturtiums that have bloomed. So I just wanted to show you all these peas. Look at that. Wow. My zucchini is doing good. I've got a couple of little tiny zucchinis down there. I've got a squash over there. Oh, look at those. Look at those. Look at the bloom on the peas. Wow. This is how you grow peas, but I have to show you my dahlia hidden underneath the peas. Look at that. It's getting ready to bloom. There's another one. That's so beautiful. Look at that. Super excited. And then my cucumbers are just taking off. I love when it rains, and I know that you love when it rains too, because everything grows. I have some peppers in here. I took the broccoli out, and then I planted a little bit of eggplants, and then I'm stringing up my cucumbers. Right now, it doesn't look really so fancy, but this is what I'm doing. I'm stringing my cucumbers to grow up this little trellis. I couldn't find any green yarn. I was trying to recycle, and that is going to work. But look at those cucumbers. I've already got little flowers on them. Super excited. But anyways, I just came out because I saw the dahlia, I saw the peas were falling over, and I was like, how can I support it? But you know what, at this point I'm just gonna let the peas fall over. I am going to harvest some parsley. Yep, I know when you're really not supposed to walk around in your garden when it's raining, but I do need parsley, and I need some cilantro. Today is, for us, it's Taco Tuesday. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on Tuesday when I post this, but it is Taco Tuesday for my family. There we go. I think that's enough. Then I'm gonna pick some cilantro. We got some good cherry tomatoes. I'm just tickled. All these peas. Oh, I can't wait to get out here tomorrow and start picking these peas. Beautiful. And look at all these nasturtiums. And my borage, my first time growing borage. goodness, and I've got blueberries everywhere. I'm loving it. This video does not do my garden justice. To me, it's so beautiful. And I wanted to show you, also while I'm out here, I have muscadine. Oh, muscadine grapes, they're all in there. But I wanted to show you, there was one area that was already pollinated. Where did it go? Here it is. Let me show you. I'm excited. My muscadine grapes. Woohoo! They're all in here. Muscadine, I have different varieties. All pollinated. Got my cucumbers. I'm gonna get some more seeds over in this area. My dahlias, my peony. Look at that. My peony I planted from bulb. My zinnias. 2 different varieties of dahlias. I actually have like 4 varieties of dahlias. And then we have to take another look at this beautiful bloom. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, I'm going inside. I'm going to make my family one of their favorite dishes. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Look at how big those nasturtiums are. Look at that beautiful bloom. Oh, there's some more purple fuchsia blooms. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at that. And then this is my cilantro that has bolted. But anyways, let me get out of this garden. Look at those tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. I've got them all in here. Let me get out of the garden. And then I even have some sunflowers. I can't wait until the rain is gone so that I can enjoy more zinnias. My peas are climbing. My lantana. Oh, another zinnia that looks like it's getting ready to bloom. Look how tall that bee balm is. That's amazing. Anyways, let me pick. Oh, by the way, your cilantro, when it flowers, it is still edible. And then I actually have some of the seeds, which is coriander. Let me harvest some of this cilantro that has bolted. And I'm actually going to use it for bouquets when my zinnias and my dahlias and peonies bloom. I will have beautiful flowers, beautiful edible flowers that I can use as arrangements. So anyways, I have what I need. Tour. I just wanted to share beautiful rain. Every gardener loves rain. And then I also wanted to share that my dahlias are blooming. I'm so excited. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you